Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Chase website. Be prepared for your new home. You can click this button to learn more. Open an account. Savings accounts and CDs. Checking accounts. Find a credit card. Home lending and car buying and loans. Earn 5,000 bonus points. Chase savings, car buying and loans. Open our most popular checking account. You can click this button to apply now. News and stories. You can check their Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, YouTube, Instagram and Pinterest. We're here to help you manage your money today and tomorrow. So I'm going to end the video here. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to go to the Weird Coins website.